Hey y'all, it's Christina. Alright, so today I'm going to be unboxing, or in this case, because it's in bag, unbagging a tryit package that I got earlier in the week, and I would have done this yesterday, but something came up yesterday and I couldn't come and do it, and because I had to clean up some, and a friend came over and I hadn't seen her in, I want to say 7 years, maybe. So, today I'm going to be like I said, I'm going to be unboxing or unbagging a product from that's something I got from Tryit. Alright, so it's bag. Alright, so today I got, this is from Tryit, by the way, again. I got Zarbee's Naturals Complete Cough Syrup Plus Immune with dark honey and elderberry, soothes coughs associated with hoarseness, dry throat, and irritants. And it's made with real elderberry, vitamin C, D, and zinc for additional immune support. And this is what it looks like. I'm trying to find out. I'm looking at this label right here. Let's see. Alright, so it looks like it's alright. Alright, let's see. Alright, so as far as I know, I don't have the virus. The weather is changing, so that might be why I'm feeling like I have a bit of a cold, trying to want to start. Alright, let's see here. I'm gonna need my scissors again. Again, meaning that this is not the first time I've needed scissors for an unboxing. Alright, let's see. Nope. Never mind the buzzing. It's I just turned on my phone today, just now, before I started the video. Alright. Let's see here if I can get. Alright, there we go. Maybe I can try to get this to go down even better. There we go. Finally. Alright. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, okay. This is the measuring cup itself. Alright. It says to shake before you use. My brother would just go like this. I'm like, yeah, nope. Be right back. Alright, so I had to ask my brother for help. He didn't get it, but I finally opened it, and he claims that he loosened it for me, at which time the finger flew. Meaning, this one. Alright. Alright, since I can't quite open this. That one only required a little jab of the, wow, that came off easy. I don't know why my phone stayed so long to load. Pokemon Go. Alright, so this says to take 2 teaspoons. Which I'm going to assume is right up to that first line. Alright, it's kind of thick. Before any accidents happen. And because I still need to test this out, I haven't gotten an email yet for me to, like, I submitted review or anything. Same with the blanket, even though that button just popped up this morning. When I checked Tryit, I went ahead and submitted the review. Alright, so, and this is the, here, let's see, this is the color. It's kind of thick. It's going to get washed anyway. Alrighty. My brother's fixing him something to eat. Alrighty, so I think that's going to be about it for this video. Sorry, I just had some low and Meowth. Alright, so like I said, I think that's going to be about it for this video. I might do another video. I don't know yet. I just hatched a zigzagoon. Alright. Let's see. I'm gonna assume that's no. Alright, so yeah, like I said, I think that's gonna be about it for this video. I know it's a short video. So, yeah, I think that's going to be about it for this video. I think I'm going to go fix me the pizza I have in the oven, not the microwave. The freezer. Sorry, just my mind is not here right now. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I literally just woke up and decided to go. I decided to be all like, hey, I'm going to go ahead and film. So, I think I'm gonna go now. I might do a review, like my Ipsy glam bags that I've gotten, and the BoxyCharm that I've gotten so far. I'm still waiting on my other BoxyCharm box to come, and my glam bag ultimate to come in, so... And when I get them, I'll try to do a review as soon as I can with them. And just like a reminder for my Ipsy glam bag, regular Ipsy glam bag, which is like $12. I got I got 2 coffee scrubs, one in rose and one in mocha. Alright. And let's see. I got an eyeliner by Douce. See, that one fall off. Alright. Then I got the Briogeo Farrell Frizz. Not sure if this is full size or not. Which, I've already uploaded that video, I think. I've got the Ibby Beauty Radiant Glow Highlighter. Don't remember the shade, but oh well. Alright. Power goes out, oh well. And I have the Maracujá Tinted Hydrator in medium neutral. That's everything for this bag. I didn't choose any. The only thing I didn't choose anything, but I did choose the add-ons, which are the 2 coffee scrubs. Now in my Glam Bag Ultimate, I do have 2 more. I did choose these 2 again for the add-ons. Alright, slide that one in. This is also going to be like a little bit of a hit reminder of what I got. Alright. Go ahead and just clear off some space on my table here. And for the BoxyCharm, which is this one's BoxyCharm. The theme is Candy Shop. So again, sponges, lip butter, and teeny bikini, I think. And this is what it looks like. This is what sponge looks like. Still very squishy. Alright, so let's see. That right there. That. So, the next item I'm pulling out is the Moisture Replenishing Serum. So this, yes, I've kept everything in their box. And I have these Soft Focus Glow Drops, Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. And the last item is Pretty Vulgar Nesting Bish Face palette. So, let's see here. Alright. I will have links down there in the description. And product information right here. Some of these brands I have not yet heard of. Some of them I'm familiar with. In this case, everything in my BoxyCharm box I have not quite heard of. Alrighty, so slide that right on over there. And then my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Alrighty, so I have the Khaleesi Better Bean Clean Face Coffee Cleanser. The Tarte High Performance Natural Shape Tape Setting Powder. It has a little mitt to it. I'll link my unboxing of everything that I'm showing y'all. Alright, so. And the next thing is the Superfood Tints. It's by Dr. Lip, and I can use it on my eyes, I think my cheeks, and my lips. And as the shades come in elderberry pigment, sweet potato pigment, and red radish pigment. Alrighty, let's see. The next item I'm pulling out is the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer by Ciate London. And the last item I'm pulling out, other than the card, theme for the Ipsy this month is Your Magic, and the last item is Secured Sage Vegan Eyeshadow and Blush Palette. So yeah, and it's by Seraphine Botanicals, which they did comment on the picture I tagged them in. Alrighty, so let's see here. Let's add this back into the bag. And everything was able to fit into the bag itself, obviously. And that's about it for all the bags that I've gotten so far. If I don't get my other BoxyCharm I'm waiting on by a certain time, then I'm going to mention, hey, I didn't get my box yet. It was supposed to have been here by now. So, yeah. I think that's going to be about it for this video. Bye, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell for if you want to be notified for more videos. Bye.